Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to see a private account photos on Instagram. For example, if you have a private account and you want to see that account photos, so what are the methods you can do for seeing that private account photos? So I will tell you one by one. So what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of Instagram on your iPhone. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply open the app store, and you have to make sure that you have installed the updated version of Instagram. And after updating the Instagram, what you have to do next is you have to simply first of all search for that account. And as you search for that account, you will see that you will you will not be able to see that account of photos. So first method is as that you have to simply send a follow request to that account, and after that, as they accept your follow requests, then you can simply see their photos and all posts after they accepted your follow request. And the second method is that you can simply check any of your friend is mutual follower of that account, which means if that person is also in their follow list, then you can simply also request your friend to check their photos so that you can simply see that photos. Moreover, you can also look for apps which can help you to see the private account for photos, like if you search on the app store. So here you can simply find many apps which claim that they can uh, get you the private account photos. So in this way you can simply search for the app store, and if you find any apps, I will recommend you to do not use any kind of apps, because these kind of apps usually are scamming apps. So you do not have to do install that kind of apps. So what you have to do, you have to simply follow the legal procedure, like you have to simply send a follow request to them, and after that you will be able to see your that photos on your Instagram. So hope you have liked this video. Get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.